Hello everyone. Students, today our topic is the real and the virtual images. So see, before starting the chapter, I have already discussed about the real and the virtual images. So what are the real and the virtual images? So see, here it is written, the image which can be obtained on a screen is called the real image. So how the image which are obtained on a screen? So see, here is one picture. In this picture you can see that the image is formed by the real cut up of the two rays. Okay, and that's why this type of images are found on the screen. This thing you have to remember, that concave mirrors. Which type of mirrors? That is the concave mirror. They give the real images. But there are certain conditions that when they will give the real image, when the object is placed at its focal point or beyond, means when the object is kept at the focal point or means it is outside the focal point. So that time the image formed will be the real image. Image formation by the concave mirror or the concave lenses you have already studied in class 7. I think you remember all those pictures. So in class 8 again you will not read all those image formation. Understood? Here the chapter name is the light, but you will read some different topics. Okay. So next one, virtual image. So what is the virtual image? Virtual images are those which can be seen only into a mirror but cannot be obtained on a screen, are called the virtual image. So these images just the opposite, means this type of images you can see that in this mirror the image has formed by the imaginary cut up of the lines, means by these dotted lines where actually they are meeting at some point, but actually they are not meeting in any point. That's why we have imaged these two lines and we have shown it by the dotted lines, and by the dotted lines the image is formed. So this type of images are known as the virtual image, and this type of images cannot be found on the screen also. Understood? Because they are the imaginary, they are not the real line. That's why they cannot be found on the screen. So there are some points. The images formed by a plane mirror are the virtual image. You will see that plane mirror always form the virtual image. A concave mirror forms a virtual image when the object is placed at a distance less than its focal length. Means when we keep any object in front of a concave mirror, but that distance is less than the focal length. Focal length means you know
focal length, and this is a concave mirror. So it is said when any object is kept at a less distance of focal length, means if the object is kept here, to that time the image formed will be the real. You see, from here the ray will go in this way, then it will be returned back from this focus in this way. The lines are not straight that I am drawing.
So see, this one is a virtual image. You can see that this object I have kept, it is pole. Between the pole and the focus, means it is at a distance less than the focal length. So that time one ray will directly go to the mirror and it will return back from the focus in this way, and another ray it will come to it moved from the center of curvature, and again it will return back to the same direction in this way. So we can see, if we proceed these two rays at this side, so that time they will never meet, and we know that where the image is formed, where these two rays meet. So we have to proceed these two rays at the back side of the mirror in this way. So here we can see, if we proceed them, they are going to meet here, and here the image will form. So this type of image is known as the virtual image. There is another figure. In this case also, it is the virtual image. See, this virtual image is formed here. Here it is also a virtual image. It is formed here. Whenever we are extending the rays of light, that time this type of images are formed. So that's why these are known as the virtual image. Okay. So these are about the real image and the virtual image. Hope you have now understood that what is the difference between the real image and the virtual image.